Hi, I'm Brenda DeArmond. I am a real estate broker, and I'm bringing you in here to Magnolia Point to a beautiful townhome, one level, all the way to the end, and you'll love it. I'm going to turn around here and show you what's going on. It has a 2-car garage and a nice side entry here. The one levels do have the side entry. Multiple ones have 2 stories. But this one, you don't have to go up the stairs or anything like that. It's a nice brick walk here. Patio, if you want to sit out here. You can see some of the surrounding areas. And walk into the front door. First impressions. Nice little walkthrough in here. Go straight to the kitchen. All the appliances are stained. Nice cabinets, granite counters. Have this open, a lot of storage here. And then you come back around the corners, a little sitting area for your breakfast, lunch, whatever you want. Goes into the living room. And then this is a flex room. This can be anything you want it to be. This could be the dining room if you want it to be. That piece of furniture over there is going to be available if you like it. Also, these bar stools, they fit really nice in there. And here's the primary bedroom. It's huge, really nice size. Even room for a desk. Then you've got this walk-in closet. Turn the light on here. Got shelving. The shelving can go either way you want. Take it out, more hanging area, or make them bigger, smaller, whatever fits your purpose. It's a big piece of furniture here as well. That is built in. See the floors? Again, nice floors here. Here's the bathroom. It has jetted tub. And there you go. 2 separate sinks. It's really nice. And a nice tub here. No, actually that's a shower. Here's the tub. Here's the shower. Okay, the difference. But it's really nice. And here we go back in here. The owners put a lot of extras in this house. He's done the granite counters. When you come back here to the other side, then we have the second hall bathroom here. Nice sink. And the fixtures up there. And then you have a shower tub combo over on this side. So there you go, up there. And across the hall is the second bedroom. Again, you got that nice flooring. This is built in, this desk is built in here, so that stays. And this piece of furniture here is a Murphy bed. If you need an extra room for sleeping, have a guest, and you have your closet. Go back here, you have your laundry room, all the, again, the laundry washer and dryer are staying. And here's the 2-car garage. If you need some storage, you really got it here. All of this storage is staying. Never have enough storage. More over here. These cabinets, all stain. Get your water heater over here. So you've got plenty of room in this home. Again, it's a 2-car garage. Go back out here. This home has 1,265 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And a unique thing about this home, if you're looking to mortgage, it's got a 2.75% assumable mortgage. You can assume that and put the extra down if you can, get second mortgage. There's all kinds of ways to get this home. So I hope that you're interested. You give me a call. Again, my name is Brenda DeArmond, and my number is 407-721-2128. Now let's go look at the amenities that this comes with. This is the clubhouse. You have to have a key to get in there, and I obviously don't have one, but they do have a gym in there. And we'll go around the side here and see. We had a terrible frost, and a lot of our vegetation has died or taken a nap. So we're gonna get through it. We're not used to that in Florida. That was terrible. But anyway, here is the swimming pool. You can see that. Again, here's the entrance that you come in, and we'll go look at another area as well. This is what you call St. John's Lake. It's a huge lake. Get out there. Here's the boat dock if you have a boat or whatever you want to do in there. And you see all these heavy equipment here. They're resurfacing all of the roads, so they're staying on top of it, making sure everything is in tip-top shape around here. And as you come over this direction, that is the tennis courts. So we're back here in the back. If you're not familiar with Magnolia Point, it's comprised of 3 sections, or maybe 4 if you want to combine 1 or 2. Back there where that extra gate is where high-end homes, I think over $1 million, and they have their own separate gate. And you can see some of the homes are very big in this area. And if you get up closer toward the townhomes, it's medium-sized homes. They're still nice homes. They have their own swimming pool. And then you have condos and townhouses, and they're called Sweetwater at Magnolia Point. So we're still at Magnolia Point. Let me give you a bird's eye view of what this is like if you're not familiar with the area. Here's a playground if you have little children or visiting children. Nice little area here for the kids to play. Right next to the tennis. If you're playing tennis, then you can bring the kids over here. Again, it backs over and looks at the beautiful lake there. This is the gatehouse. Everything is secure here. You have a guard on all the time, coming and going to show your ID to get in. And it's not very far from some other interesting places. A lot of car dealerships, Costco, Wendy's, just really close to the turnpike. If you need to get onto the turnpike, it's probably about a mile away.